Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find CapCut PC effects. So a lot of it's been moved and I can't tell you where each one is one by one, but I can show you just a little bit so you have an idea of where everything is. It takes like a few minutes to remember that the basic effects has been moved here and there and so on. So go to effects and everything has been moved. So there used to be a basic effect, and for instance you want to find the blur one, it's under lens. Everything that has to do with like blurring and the edge glow is here as well. Everything that's like, I don't know, it reminds me of lens, it's here. So the new theme actually makes more sense. For like opening and closing, it makes sense too because it shows like the opening and closing. Some of them you can still see that they use the basic effects thumbnail on this fade out one, but it's been moved there. And for instance, you want to find the shake, it's in nightclub, so it makes more sense as well. And also camera shake has been moved there, so all the shakes has been moved to nightclub. And what else? People have been asking for the let's see, for like the CD playback, and everything like that moved to vlog. Like this, that, and that was in the basic effects, like these like magnifiers, but it has been moved to the vlog one. And the rest I think is like kind of similar, but like under a new name and under like a new thumbnail as well. As you can see, most of the comic ones are still placed the same, but it's mostly like the basic ones that have been moved around a little bit. But that is basically it. Once you're done, you're just going to add the effect to your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!